Hi winners! Look, welcome to Terri's Tips. I hope you guys can see me okay. I hope you guys can hear me okay because I'm in my backyard. I needed some fresh air and I will share with you a little bit later on about what is going on and why, okay? And so guys, for today's video, we're going to talk about how vendor accounts and how NET30 accounts help you build business credit. And before you think you know everything about NET30s and everything about vendor accounts, stop it, y'all. You know, if I'm doing a video on it, then there's a reason why. This is for my new businesses, for my established businesses. If you're wondering why you're not able to get to the next level, you guys are missing why vendor accounts are important, why NET30s are important, what they actually do. And so I'm going to dispel all the myths today. And this is no matter what level you are. Some of you are missing this link to get to the next level. So I'm going to explain, how they build business credit. I'm going to explain why they are super important because some of you are skipping over this. And then I'm also going to give you some mistakes to avoid, okay? And let me also say, I apologize, guys. This video is a little bit late, but a Tuesday would never go by, a Thursday would never go by where I would not think about you guys and do an actual video, okay? And if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Terri. I'm a self-employed entrepreneur, mother, YouTuber, investor, personal business credit guru. Guys, I upload brand new videos every Tuesday and Thursday on personal credit, business credit, real estate investing, entrepreneurship, all of the above, okay? And I do want to say, guys, my brand new series, I Wish I Knew, in the evening. Guys, you want to tune in tonight if you haven't tuned in before on IG. I'll post today's video at 6 o'clock on IG, Care Credit Tools. I have a heavy lesson, a heavy story to share with you guys, okay? So if this information is helpful, subscribe, like, share, and also make sure you follow me on Care Credit Tools. On Instagram. I have a special story for you guys tonight, baby. Okay, and then guys, I'll do my nugget at the end. So let's jump right in. So when you have a business, whether you're self-employed, whether you're an entrepreneur, whether you're an investor, whether you have a side hustle, any type of business, it is super smart. Our channel is about leveraging your personal and business credit to build wealth, right? So once you incorporate that business and you have your EIN, guys, your EIN has borrowing power. Now, some of the mistakes I'm seeing is that I've gotten you guys some money, guys. I've gotten you guys $10,000, $30,000, $80,000. So you guys never go back and worry about the vendor accounts or the NET30s, or you don't use them the right way, or you don't understand how to use them. And that's keeping your business from looking credible and fundable on paper, guys. The fundability piece and the credibility piece is to get your business established, but the vendor accounts are what give your business a profile and scores and a digital footprint. That way businesses can find you, and that way you guys get offers all the time. Guys, I get offers literally like daily to my email, to my office, for lenders trying to lend money to my business. And it's because I've done the work to have a business credit profile. So what is a NET30? What is a vendor account? And guys, I want you to get this right here. If you have bad credit, if you are a brand new business, if you want to establish business credit fast, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, then this is why you want to use, you need to use, you should use vendor accounts at NET30s. Guys, real quick, I have people in my Credit Leverage Lifestyle course that have we just launched it in February, they have up to $80,000. They have shared their testimonies, $10,000, $20,000, $40,000, $80,000, because they have followed a proven system. What did I say? Proven system. There's a proven system for a reason. So NET30 vendor accounts. What is it? When you have a business, you have it incorporated, you have an EIN, you've done your DUNS number, you have your business bank accounts, there are companies that will give you credit right away. No hard credit check. No, you have bad personal credit. You just need to have an established entity. And what happens is, say the company is like Granger or Uline or Quill or, Crown Office Supplies, NAV even has something now. You'll go to these websites, you'll order some items that you need for your business or for your home or for your church or for your school. Use them for whatever you want. You order some items, and then when you go to check out, instead of actually paying with like a Visa or MasterCard or your business debit card, you'll hit Invoice Me. Guys, when you hit Invoice Me, they are then going to give you a different screen going to pop up where you're going to put in all of your business information. Now, stop right here. Guys, if you have mismatched information, say, some of you guys incorporated your business with your home phone, with your home address, and now you have a virtual address and all those things. I want all of you, especially my seasoned business people, to understand that when you're filling out these NET30s and these vendor accounts, the information you're putting in the application is helping to update your information. Update it with DUNS, update it with the business credit bureaus, update it with your digital footprint. Guys, that's why it's super important when you do these vendor accounts. One of the number one reasons why people use vendor accounts and NET30s is to have business credit profiles, is to get business credit scores, and to have a digital footprint for your business. So when companies, lenders, creditors, banks try to Google your business or try to look for your business online, they will have the information for you. Your business won't be like, if your business is MIA and the banks can't find it anywhere, good luck. Good luck trying to get a $50,000, $100,000 line of credit. It's not going to happen, guys. So you start with the vendor accounts, you start with the NET30 accounts so that they can report your business to the business credit bureau, to the commercial credit bureau, to the commercial agencies. They're reporting this information so you can have a digital footprint, okay? So let's use Quill. You go to Quill, you order some items, you hit invoice me, you input your business name exactly as it registered with the state. You put your business address, you put your business EIN, you put your business phone number, your business email. I want you to think about, as you're filling out these applications, everything that is correct for your business that you want to be reported. It's super critical. If you guys are filling out these vendor accounts with all of your business information and putting your personal email, you messed up. All your business information, you put your personal phone number, you messed up. Okay, you're supposed to have everything for your business listed exactly as you want it listed for your DUNS, exactly as you want it listed for your business credit bureaus, exactly as you want it listed for your business credit scores and profiles, okay? So then you'll hit NET30, you'll hit invoice me, and then they will send you an invoice. They will send you your items. So let's say you ordered $200 worth of, cleaning supplies, and let's say you ordered vacuums and all that stuff you needed to renovate a property, okay? And say you need some things to clean out a property. You can order industrial, trash bags and all kinds of stuff and all this stuff for your property, right? They will mail you the items, and then you're going to have 30 days to pay them back. That's what a NET30 is. Now, guys, also a tip right here. There's NET15, NET30, NET60, NET90. If you get a NET15 account, that means you have 15 days to pay it. If you have a NET30 account, that means you have 30 days to pay it. If you do a NET60, it's you have 60 days to pay it. You got it? NET90, you have 90 days to pay it. And then for business credit, I need you to get this tip. I'm dropping gems through the entire video, guys, okay? This is where when you have a NET30 account, the sooner you pay it, the better. So for personal credit, they look at utilization, they look at your debt to income ratio. For business credit, they are exclusively looking for multiple trade lines, multiple credit references, and how fast, how well you pay your bills. Vendor accounts equal a credit reference. Did you hear me? Vendor accounts equal a credit reference. So if you have five vendor accounts, 5 NET30s, you have 5 credit references, 5 trade lines. Guys, for business credit, the more credit references, the more credit trade lines you have, the stronger your business credit score is, the stronger your business profiles are, the better, the more credible and fundable you look on paper, the more easily the lenders for the bigger money can find you, okay? So it's helping you in multiple ways. So this is where you don't want to maybe have Quill, or we'll stick with Quill because I don't want to confuse you. Some of you guys are getting a Quill account and then you're ordering month after month after month, or you're thinking about it like a revolving, like a credit card. You're ordering, you're waiting for the invoice to come in and you're paying it. Then you're ordering and you're waiting for the invoice to come in and you're paying it. No, guys, for business credit, it's multiple trade lines. So you have Quill, it reports to the credit bureau, you're done. You don't need to keep on ordering from them. Now you can order from them, like I use my vendor accounts because I get items in bulk. I get items from my school, for my house, from my office. I get items sometimes that I donate. I get better prices. So things I know that I'm going to use in bulk, I get from them anyway. But guys, you don't have to. You just want the credit reference. You want the trade line. So you want to have Quill, you order from it, it reports, you're done. You want to have Granger, you order from it, it reports, you're done. You want to have Uline, you order from it, it reports, then it's done. You get it? It's multiple trade lines. Now, some of the business credit vendors, they change their guidelines. So sometimes they'll say you need to order a minimum of $50. And if you order $45, guess what? You ordered, you got it in that NET30 account, but it didn't report to the business credit bureaus. Sometimes they'll be like, you need to order $50. Sometimes it will be $100. Sometimes they'll say you need to order once. Sometimes you need to order twice. It changes. And guess what? The company, they're allowed to change their guidelines. They're allowed to change their regulations, right? So when in doubt, when you say you're going to Quill, before you place the order, they always have an 800 number. Guys, you are business owners, you're entrepreneurs, you're investors. I need you to be empowered to pick up the phone and ask questions and say, hey, I'm about to order from you guys. Do I need to order once or twice? How much do I need to order? What is the minimum order for you to report to the credit bureaus? They will tell you. Don't be overwhelmed. Do one Monday, one Wednesday, one Friday, one the next Monday, one the next Wednesday. Guys, you can have a complete business credit profile in 30 days. I did a video on building business credit in 30 days, but I'm digging deeper into this because some of you guys have gotten some money right away from like the business loan videos I've done, or for like the business line of credit videos I've done, or through my funding team to the 680 program, and you're skipping over. You have maybe one or maybe two. You're going to run into trouble and you're setting yourself up, guys. And if you are an established business and you never built business credit, or you didn't understand NET30s or NET90s, you want to go back and still do that. You still have time, because that's how you start to get vendors coming to you, lenders coming to you, creditors come to you. Like, I promise you, Lo and Nadira, who work for my business, shout out to Lo and Nadira, who keep me in line. Literally, we have people that email us daily trying to give us money or trying to work with us. And I have to have them call and say, we're not looking for funding and all those things. That's because they're finding my business because it has a business credit profile and scores, and I look fundable on paper, guys. So if you're wondering why you're in business and you're not able to get offers, no one's reaching out to you, you're still getting denials, then you want to use vendor accounts and NET30 accounts. Guys, 5 accounts is good. 10 accounts, you're going to be strong. 5 vendor accounts, 4 to 5 will at least get you a paydex score of like 80 and start to generate a business credit score. But if you can have 10 to 14 various vendors, various credit references, various trade lines reporting, you're going to be stronger, guys, okay? So why is it important? It's so you can actually truly learn to leverage your business credit to build wealth. And I want you to think about like a Discover secured credit card for personal credit. Let's say you went and got a secured credit card and you paid $1,000 deposit, guys. A secured credit card means that you give the bank the money for the actual credit card, then they will give you the credit card, and the credit limit is equal to your deposit. So if you give them $1,000, they will give you $1,000 Discover credit card secured. Now, why would you do that, right? You actually had the $1,000. So did you really need the $1,000? No. The reason why you did it is because you wanted to build personal credit. You wanted them to report the credit card to the credit bureaus so you could raise your scores so you could get more credit. Same concept, guys. Vendor accounts and NET30 accounts, NET60, NET90 accounts, they are credit that you get in your business's name so you can get a business credit score, so then other lenders with better terms, more money, more credibility will give you money because you have a digital footprint and you have multiple credit references. Got it good, guys. And this is where, if you have bad credit, if you are a brand new business, this is a way to build business credit super quickly, guys. 30 to 90 days, whereas a personal credit can take 2 years or more to have payment history, right? So business credit is 1,000% a way to get money faster with better terms. All you have to do is do the work, get the accounts, and have them report. And guys, I recommend using like nav.com. Nav.com even has an article. I think it says 7 vendor accounts. I will go back in, depending on when you're watching this video, I will go back in and add that link to that article, guys. And I've done a bunch of NET30 account videos where I actually gave the actual accounts. I'll link some of those also. So this is where, super quickly it can be done. And then you want to make sure you're monitoring it. Now you can go right to Dun & Bradstreet, right to Equifax Business, right to Experian Business, but it's going to cost you money. So I recommend going to nav.com, signing up, just having like some free monitoring, and then as accounts start to be reported, then you can invest in actually getting your business credit reports, guys. But if you have a 500 credit score and you need some help, you need to be using these vendor accounts. That way you can start getting credit references. That way you can start getting some money faster. Got it good, guys. So I talked about, the mistakes, right? I said you don't need to keep on ordering from them over and over again, or ordering from the same item. You want to order multiple items. I talked about why it's important. I talked about how they work, and I told you mistakes to avoid. Now, guys, go ahead and go get your vendor accounts and NET30 accounts. Stop skipping this step, because you need the actual business profile for your business to look fundable and credible on paper on its own. Got it good, guys. All right, and guys, for my nugget, I'm going to say that, you really need to accept when God says delayed, but never denied. There is a heavy story I have about this. And what I'm going to say to you guys is that my I Wish I Knew series is for 30 days. Today is going to be day number 20. I'm going to post it on my Instagram page at 6 o'clock. And I also sometimes link it to my YouTube. I need to go more in depth about this because it's a lesson that I just really, really learned again and again and again and again and again. And, I try to lead by example and be very, very transparent with you guys. And so some of these lessons are really hard. right? Especially when you want something really, really, really bad. But I think that the transparency is really helping you guys know that, no matter what level you are, we all go through these lessons, whether you're brand new, whether you're established. Sometimes there's things that we have to deal with, we just have to accept it and regroup and move on. And so always remember that sometimes when the answer is no, it doesn't mean it's no forever. Nothing is no forever, guys. Nothing is no forever. It means not right now. So what you need to do is accept it, learn from it, and move on. And that's how you're going to be wildly successful with all of your goals and all of your dreams and all of your visions in your life. Delayed but never denied, guys. And if this channel and this video has helped you, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Guys, we just hit 7,000 subscribers. Yay! And my next goal is 10,000 to be able to help, empower, educate at least 10,000 people. So if this is helpful, share this with 10 people you know. Subscribe, hit that notification button, and have a super amazing day on purpose.